9:15 a.m. market open. Previous day, that means yesterday, it's a Friday market I'm telling. So in Friday market, before market closing around 2 o'clock, a sell call came. Can you see that red color candle? That sell call selling momentum ended up break out the target. This chart will give you the calls like a signal. In live market running, it will give the calls like a signal. If it's a buy call, green color candle. If it's a sell call, red color candle. Likewise, automatically it will give the calls. You are right now you are watching this video like this daily. You just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the signal like a calls. So through these calls you can do your intraday trading. And today it's a Monday market, November 11th market we are watching. Market was opened and it was going downside direction only. And around 10 o'clock, before 2 minutes of 10 o'clock, a buy call, a breakout happened, green color candle open. Like this, the breakout will be analyzed automatically. According to our strategy, the breakout will happen. Everything will be automated. So you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls. Whenever the breakout happen, this chart will give you the calls like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal. So green color candle open. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line are target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Through these entries, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trade also. If you want to know the chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. And during this Monday market, November 11th market, the first call, buy call came at buy at 51,863. So that is our entry line. So that white line is the entry line, buy at 51,863. First target is 993. It's a 130 point first target range. After 30 minutes of buy call, after 10:30 a.m., the buy call has break out the first target range, and within next 10 minutes, it break out the second target range also. Market has a volatile up and down momentum also, but still it break out the targets only. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. And meanwhile, let's take a look at option chart also. It's a 52,000 call option we are watching. The buy call came at 171, currently trading about 280. So like this, you can change the script also. According to the script, in the money option, at the money, out of the money option, even Reliance crude oil also, you can get the calls signal. Through this calls signal, you can do your intraday trading. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.